Hi, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I've grabbed my great American recipe card collection because today I'm part of a collaboration celebrating vintage desserts that's hosted by Sunny in the Suburbs and Her Homemaking Heart. Well, I've opened up my card catalog and found the perfect dessert to make today. This is one I've been wanting to try for a while. It's called coffee jelly. Doesn't that look fun? Well, let's make it and see. Grab a pot. We'll be adding 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 envelopes of unflavored gelatin. Give that a quick stir. Add 3 cups of hot, strong coffee. And 1 1/3 cups of water. Stir on heat until dissolved. Once dissolved, remove from heat. Stir in a tablespoon of lemon juice. And pour that in some type of mold. Then you refrigerate it at least 6 hours to overnight. Here we have it, nice and jiggly. Now will it come out onto the plate? Let's find out. Uh-oh. Oh dear. It says to serve with a splash of creamer. Ready to try the coffee jelly. It's totally coffee in jelly form. And the cream, it's just a cup of coffee. How fun is that? And you can make something like this in your home too. Coffee jelly? Give it a go. Did you want to see more vintage recipes? Then you have to check the playlist that is linked in my description. Thank you, Sunny in the Suburbs and Her Homemaking Heart, for hosting this wonderful vintage dessert collaboration. What does Beyonce do when she's having issues with her roof? Call the shingle ladies, call the shingle ladies.